Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable phone model and date and time watermark in your Oppo A31. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Oppo A31 and you want to take a picture, and also you want to let my phone enable like date and time and model watermark. So in order to do that, for example, I'm going to take a picture, and then you can see I'm going to take a picture. When I take the picture, there is not appearing date and time and model watermark. So if you want to enable that, you can easily go back and you can click this upper side icon, and then it's going to be appear a screen just like this. After here, you're going to see here something say watermark. Now if you want to enable phone model watermark, you can easily turn this on. Let me go back and let me try to take a picture again, and if I go this picture preview, I'm going to see here in this picture it's appear a watermark which is my phone model. Now you might be want to enable also date and time watermark. You can easily click this icon again, and then you're going to see here watermark, and if you want to enable date and time watermark, you can easily turn this on. Let me go back and let me try to take another picture, and let me see is it working or not. If I go back, if I'm going to see the picture preview, I'm going to see here it's appear the model and a date and time watermark. This is really quite interesting. So within this way, you can easily enable a model and date and time watermark in your Oppo A31. Now you might be want to turn this off. You can easily go same section, and then you can easily go here watermark, and you can easily turn any of them if you want, or if you want to both of them, you can do that. So this is how you can easily enable or disable watermark, date and time watermark model in Oppo A31. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.